Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V21, and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. So to get started, simply hold the power key, and when you see boot options right here, you want to hold power off. When you hold it, it will change into reboot to safe mode. So from here, confirm it by tapping on OK and simply wait for the device to reboot. And as you can see, the device is now in safe mode. Now, this is a pin for the SIM card, so I'm just going to quickly unlock it. So there we go. You have this watermark right here, safe mode, and just so you are aware that you're in this mode. And additionally, in this mode, widgets don't work, and any kind of applications that are not Android specific, like come with it, will be disabled. So as you can see, with Booking, Facebook, TikTok. Some phones actually keep things like Facebook for some reason still active, which I consider to be an absolute bull, considering Facebook is not a native application to Google. But yeah, some phones decide to keep it. At least this one right here does stop it from functioning, so in safe mode it can't actually gather data on you because it's completely terminated. Right now, all the applications that are grayed out and cannot start have literally no way of running. Android is terminating them. Even if they would try to start up, they just get killed right off the bat. So in this mode you can troubleshoot your device. So if you have some kind of problem with it, if your device is malfunctioning and you have a suspicion that it might be because of an app, you can boot into safe mode and, for instance, remove the app from here. Anyway, once you're done with this mode, to get back into the normal one, all you need to do is simply hold the power key, and this time around click on the restart, which will bring you back to Android, but in the normal mode. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.